We have another news coming in from Pakistan. In a first, Pakistani Army Chief General Asim Munir has publicly acknowledged the role of the Pakistan's military in the 1999 Kargil conflict with India. Viewers, this is the first time when a serving Pakistani Army Chief has admitted role in Kargil war. He has said that thousands of martyrs have sacrificed their lives for the nation and Islam in 1948, 1965, 1971 and Pak-India Kargil war. Earlier, Islamabad had denied direct military participation in Kargil. They described the infiltrators as Kashmiri freedom fighters. They also claimed that Pakistani forces were only actively patrolling and not directly involved. Meanwhile, Captain Vikram Batra's father, G.L. Batra, has reacted on Asim Munir's statement. Let's listen in.
कि हाँ इसमें पाकिस्तान की इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी, पाकिस्तान आर्मी की। तो अब ये क्लियर हो गया कि वो उन बच्चों का जो टॉर्चर किया गया वो पाकिस्तानी सेना के सैनिकों ने ही किया। और आज 25 साल हो गए हैं। न्याय पाने के लिए डॉक्टर कालिया, उनके पिता, जो इंटरनेशनल लॉ कोर्ट में लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं इस बात की, और इसी उम्मीद पर आज वो चल रहे हैं कि उनको न्याय मिलेगा। तो जब पाकिस्तान आर्मी चीफ ने इस बात को एडमिट कर लिया है कि कारगिल वार में पाकिस्तान सेना के ट्रूप्स थे, इट वाज ऑल ए वार इनिशिएटेड बाय पाकिस्तान, तो उन बूढ़े माँ बाप को के दिल को सुकून देने के लिए अगर कुछ किया जा सकता है तो होना चाहिए। और बाकी जैसा कि मैंने बताया अभी कि वो सारे पेरेंट्स, वो सारी विधवाएं, वो सारे बच्चे किस जिंदगी की जंग से कैसे गुजर कर आज पहुंचे हैं, इस बात का मैं बार बार नहीं दोहराना चाहता, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा दर्द है। और मैं ये समझता हूं, मैं ये चाहता हूं कि दोनों पड़ोसी मुल्क पाकिस्तान शांति के साथ विद पीस, रिजॉल्विंग टू पीस, एक अच्छे नेबर की तरह रहे। इसी में दोनों देशों की आगे तरक्की है। देखिए, ये जो इतना टॉर्चर की, ये ब्रीच किया गया है, जो एग्रीमेंट है, शिमला एग्रीमेंट, द ब्रीच ऑफ दैट एग्रीमेंट, तो कोर्ट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लॉ शुड सी इट कि व्हाट आर द प्रोविजंस फॉर जस्टिस, फॉर सीकिंग जस्टिस, फॉर डूइंग द जस्टिस, and that they should do that.
We have my colleague Shubh Rana with us. Shubh, in a first, Pakistani Army Chief General Asim Munir has publicly acknowledged the role of Pakistan's military in the 1999 Kargil conflict. What more can you tell us about this?
Even in 2010, Pakistan gave top gallantry awards to the soldiers killed in Kargil, acknowledging the role of its men. And first time, Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir has acknowledged the direct role of his country's militaries in 1999 Kargil war against India. And the rare admission came at an event to commemorate Defence Day at Rawalpindi. But this may not be the first such admission by the Pakistan Army, but it's significant enough as it comes after 25 years after the war that leads to the further militarization along the LOC. And the Pakistan Army has initially distanced itself from its role in the conflict, claiming freedom fighters were involved, but also Pakistan, General Munir has said at an event that Pakistan is a brave nation which understands the importance of freedom and how to pay for it, be it the wars of 1948, 1965, 1971 or Kargil. So therefore, thousands of soldiers have sacrificed their lives for the country and Islam. This is what General Munir have added in the event. And he have also said that the statement was picked up and claiming that it was the first such admission by the Pakistan, because on the contrary, the Pakistan Army in 2010 officially acknowledged, and named 453 soldiers and officers killed in 1999 conflict. Their names, their ranks, and their decorations were also put up in Shahuda's corner of its website. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.